Hey everyone, my name's Hayden and I run a natural building company called Curvatecture. We have our first workshop for 2021, which is on the 30th of January 2021, and it's to cover and share our absolute love for Tadelakt Plastering. It's used in bathrooms, laundries, splashbacks, to make sinks, to make baths, anywhere that you ultimately need a waterproof surface that you can clean very easily and looks very beautiful. Tadelakt is 100% natural. It uses lime, sand and olive oil soap and a precious burnishing stone, which is a technique that sets it apart from other standard lime plastering techniques. These are 4 Tadelakt example balls, which are made over cob balls, which is ultimately clay, sand and straw, which you can build any shape out of and then cover in Tadelakt and make it waterproof. So during the workshop we'll start with 1 and then hopefully you'll get up to 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 if you're very keen. It's made for the absolute beginner, for people that have never picked up Tadelakt before, so no worries if you've never done anything natural building related, never picked up a trowel or never done anything like this. It's a really great way into this beautiful world. So come hang out with us at our beautiful home, Dalpura Farm, meet some great people, have a lovely afternoon and we'll all have a curry at the end of it, eh? See you there. Bye bye.